Admission open. Kapatar Kema Model Degree College, Bhoi District, ka court admission na kabanta ka PA first semester, ka lat bahajan na kabanta ki samla pule, na kabanta ki jingtip ki babanya, phun hau number, pra iwe, lai iwe, pra not, san ar khandai not, lani pra lai nyo not, pra san riu khandai san. Ka jing sim banta jong ki kanhun baper ban penlong ye ki hybrid bat ki samla, ki bi ye ki jing lekai football. Kalau nang penlong ye katanya bahkan nang la ban say ye ki nong ilekai football ki batabit bat ka Kyntiew step bah ye ki ngejat jing ilekai hapo ka Jylla nalor ka jing plilat Lyntijam sarkar ye ki samla nong ilekai football ki ye kun honro ki sim kya bah ban Kyntiew ye ki ngejat jing ilekai da ka ne ki ju ko jing thmu ban Kyntiew ye ki jing ilekai football da ka baite parlok bat ki wei pat ki kan hon ki ban ki wei pat ki Jylla jongri India ka Lyntijam football academy ha ka jing ilam jong ba sumar lang swear ku coach ha ka jing trilang bat ka wei football academy ka bana ka Jylla Rajasthan ka bala tip kerteng kum ka Rihan football academy henin ka singi ka penlong football trial lani ka jingjit ia ki nong ilekai football ban lej sim banta sya ki lempung baper na ka banta ki hybrid ki bhapo khat lai snem karta ki hybrid ki bhapo khat san snem karta bat kum juru ya ki bala khamsan lani ki senior team ya ki nek football trial la penlong hamadan NACA paham sim Nongpoh hagani kasngi ki don hadu prapongut ki khna ki bon ban sim banta hagani ka football trial rengkat ru sibun ki jing hikai ki bala hikai dau coach ka Rihan football academy Sebastian David rengkat coach ka Lyntijam football academy uba sumar lang swear Sebastian David ubare coach jong ka Rihan football academy ulong baladagi khna kin syajit nang ni kin yo ban lek pentibit chusu Jylla Rajasthan bat kin yo ru ban ilekai hapo ka Assam Lake bat kiwi ki Jylla
okey kumbala ong bang ila de kan dai tang balong ni haple anti jakaru nang tu ha sanek kan jakapat di players so nilai ni ka tu kai japon na buka ka bahasa kemat pat so kan nang tu la da ba la biang ni kan di biang final selection ni oleh dari badan sat
Hello everyone, my name is Sebastian David. I'm from Nongpoh, currently living in Rajasthan, working as a head coach of Rihan FC as well as Assam United. So we're conducting trials in Nongpoh, Meghalaya for the underprivileged kids who are not financially stable and those kids who are very talented but don't have any supports from the parents, who want a platform to show their, the skills and how working they are and who want to be a better player in future. So yeah, so we want to help as a coach, as a management to the players so that they can be a better player who can be a star player in future. Okay, so the players who will get selected here will be shifted to Rihan FC, that is in Rajasthan, and the senior players they'll get a chance to play in Assam Premier League as well as Rajasthan League, and the youth players they will be in the team for the youth team of Rihan FC that will play in Rajasthan Youth League and as well as Assam Youth League. So we'll give them platforms in football and futsal as well. Like in Rihan FC, we are giving scholarship to the players up to 50 or 60%. We're really working on a tight budget So like we'll provide the players the hostel and the foodings in a bare minimum amount so that they can afford, and also that will not be a pressure to the parents as well as the kids, and even will provide them the studies if they want. Rihan FC is an residential academy, so the kids have to stay there for a year, a season, and they will have to practice there, have to stay there with the team. Will also make them a disciplined player to be a better person, and we have to work on their physics and everything on that. Uh, the academy is like the kids. We also provide 100% scholarship, and if the kid is very talented, then we surely will give him 100% scholarship. And some of the kids who are coachable kids who want to have a platform, who can at least afford a bare minimum amount for the hostels and everything, then at least we can provide them the platform.
Publish bunyi pi media bawan mentasi kani kadi nak kaliang Lyntijam ni ko ban situ ba ka style jengi ke bangi pelong rengkat bat Rihan Academy ka ban Nongpoh Rajasthan akaba yo ibon ki kena hari Bhoi district mo ki ba bitja tambah ki wan kalong ying ka ba khamduna hamduk te kum tangi pele ya kani ka trial hakaba kalong 50% ka scholarship ya ki kena dara bat kidan ki ban yo ya ka 100% ru na kadi ki exceptional bagi bawan yang baduk ini kadang kerja berkatu 100%. Ladang yo kena nang ni kibabyang ngin yo pa sya ketika akademi na benta bikin nang kiu syuk saprang haki por ki banwan pat. Raja bagi yo ke hable chete bagi sa in hapsa be chete ka kendai na benta arsnem ka hiu jengki ka contract jengki makin le ada kibyang performance jengki ingin nang bu syuk yaki. MK kadai 50% scholarship jadi kena persen ngin buat nak kalian jong kalian dijam 50% kin hapan yarap naki midan kumba hapo syu spangut I kena kipoi mentang si akan niga try alright barkat kide na Bhoi sudahi
Kini kikor komputer kiba internet bador badar ni di hajan jongpi hangne hadukan jongi han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex Harishan Enterprise haka kamera kaba shispa iway refurbished laptop but desktop phun hau number pra iway lai arnot sau pra sansau lane pra lai nyo arnyo sawar drunyo.
The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Lady Keane College, Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College, Shillong and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeanecollege.edu.in.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyo lai wei khandai hndru yue ar nyo lai